Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, along with exclusive discounts, are in the description below. Check them out. This review reflects my personal experience using FastestVPN. FastestVPN, a budget-friendly VPN powerhouse for everyday use. In this review, we're taking a close look at FastestVPN, a service designed with privacy, security, and affordability in mind. It's a great option for users looking for robust protection without breaking the bank. Security is a top priority with FastestVPN. It employs military-grade AES 256-bit encryption, shielding your online activities from prying eyes, including hackers, trackers, and even your internet service provider. For the privacy-conscious, FastestVPN adheres to a strict no-logs policy, ensuring your online data isn't monitored or stored. Furthermore, it provides robust leak protection, incorporating DNS and IPv6 leak prevention to safeguard your identity, even if your connection drops unexpectedly. Streaming enthusiasts will appreciate FastestVPN's optimized servers for popular platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. While its server network isn't as extensive as some premium competitors, its 60+ locations spread across 40+ countries provide adequate coverage for most users. Speed tests demonstrate decent performance, easily handling HD streaming and torrenting activities. Speaking of torrenting, FastestVPN offers built-in P2P support without any bandwidth limitations. One standout feature is the integrated ad blocker and malware protection. This handy tool blocks annoying pop-ups and safeguards you from potentially harmful websites without the need for additional software. A kill switch is also included, preventing data leaks if your VPN connection unexpectedly drops. FastestVPN shines in its user-friendliness, making it particularly suitable for beginners. Its intuitive apps are available on various platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, and even Reuters. With support for up to 10 simultaneous connections, it offers excellent value for families or small teams. Furthermore, FastestVPN's pricing is extremely competitive, often undercutting other premium VPNs with regular discounts and lifetime subscription options. In conclusion, FastestVPN is a reliable choice for those seeking affordable online protection, strong privacy features, and solid streaming capabilities. While it might not offer the extensive server network or advanced configurations of top-tier VPNs, it represents an excellent budget-friendly option for everyday internet users. If you're interested in giving FastestVPN a try, be sure to use the links in the description below to secure the best possible deal.